And I wasn't recording.
You thought you was. Taking a picture.
Now I am. Yeah, I took your picture several times. Probably. So he's continuing to work on 2003 Dodge Stratus. It's had a lot of problems. He put on new spark plugs. Wires were good. We didn't have to replace those. Well, I said we. I didn't do anything. But the recent thing that's happened is the water's mixing with oil, and he thinks it's a head gasket, a blown head gasket, excuse me. So, but yeah, that's what he's doing right now. He's checking under there, trying to get everything off. We do know it's going to need a new water pump. So that's for another day.
Actually, it's on the oil pan too, so.
Yep.
Maybe it's thick now, but.
Yeah. So, but when he first got it started a couple weeks ago, he didn't have this problem. It ran a little bit, and then got to where it wouldn't start again. So he's getting up off the ground now.
I think they can see that. Anyway, like that, put spark plugs in it first day and start right up.
Yeah, there was no problem.
Yeah.
It ran fine the next day, no problem. Next day after that, it wouldn't start again. So he is not crazy about it having a Mitsubishi engine in it, because sometimes you can't find the information that you need, because you look up Dodge Stratus and it's going to give you a Dodge engine, which really should give you the Mitsubishi. You know, sometimes you can find it, sometimes you can't. But what are you doing now?
I'm just going to see about spark plug laps. There's supposed to be stickers here, and there's no stickers.
Oh.
Oh, I know it's 44.
Right. Yeah, because when he first took the spark plugs out, they were gapped way too wide.
Because after a while they would go bad, and yeah, that happens.
So after a while they go bad.
Yeah.
Well, the car was sitting for like 2 years.
Yeah.
So it does have a lot of old gas in it. He's gonna siphon that out.
And I'll replace the pump too.
Yeah, the fuel pump has been replaced. So there's still some work that needs to be done on it.
Yeah, it's gonna look nice, maybe.
Yeah. It's gonna look beautiful when it gets done. It's a work in progress. It's a whip.
It becomes a whip. That should have been a typo. It becomes a whip.
A work in progress means whip.
I know, but whip means like nice car.
Yeah.